I first visited Taiwan, I was amazed by how food wasn't just about taste, it was about culture, comfort, and connection. Every street corner had something delicious, from the rich aroma of beef noodle soup to the crispy crunch of the scallion pancakes. And I thought, how can I bring this magic back home? Now, more than ever, home cooks, OFWs, and food businesses are looking for dishes that stand out. Comforting yet unique, familiar yet exciting. But here's the challenge. Taiwanese dishes look simple, yet they require precision. The broth needs depth, the dough needs texture, the chicken needs the right crisp and seasoning. Without proper guidance, it's easy to miss that authentic Taiwanese flavor. But don't worry, we're here to fix all of that. When you master these dishes, you're not just learning recipes, you're learning culinary foundations that open door to new opportunities. Imagine offering authentic Taiwanese flavors in your own business or serving them proudly to your loved ones. In this class, I'll guide you step by step as we make 3 Taiwanese favorite dishes. One is the beef noodle soup. Super tender beef, super flavorful aromatic broth, and noodles completes a bowl that's just a hug from Taiwan. And the street food classic, yung scallion pancakes, one of my personal favorites. It's just so addicting. The flavor, the crunch, the texture, the scallion, the seasoning, everything about it. It's called the Asian-style laminated bread because it's laminated like a croissant, but the flavor is packed like Asian food. And also, who can forget, and everyone's favorite, from kids to adults, is the Taiwanese fried chicken chop. This is just classic Taiwanese food, and I'm doing it all in this class. With these recipes, you can start your own food concept, level up your home menu, or simply experience Taiwan from your own kitchen. So if you're ready to bring the flavors of Taiwan to your own very home, and maybe even your business, join me, Himoy de Baron, only here at the Bailiwick Academy.